All right, I know I was just hating on the last small e-bike that I had, but that was like some other stuff that I was dealing with, okay? Guys, today is a new day. I have a feeling that this bike is actually gonna be a dope bike. What's up, guys? Brand new day, and we got another e-bike to review. As you can see, it's a tiny bike, and your boy is not personally a fan of small bikes. I'm 6'5", but this one here, I have to say, this one's actually a banger bike. So this one's by Highboy. It's called the Highboy C1. It's technically a folding bike. It has a 350 watt motor. It also has a 7.8 hour battery. It's gonna be 36 volts. I wish it was 48, but I'm not complaining because it actually has decent speed. These fenders are pretty cheap. As you can see, this metal piece right here, you can bend it. So, I mean, maybe it's, you know, on purpose if you guys want to change the angle of your fender. I don't know. I feel like eventually it's gonna snap though. And then same up here, we have a front fender, pretty cheap. I would honestly take them off if it was me, but we're gonna leave them on for the video. It also comes with mag wheels, gotta love those. And it comes with 14" by 2.125 tires. It also has a front headlight, and it has a integrated rear light as well. And it also has a long giraffe neck stem. I don't know about switching this to BMX because this has a low top tube right here, and if you switch this to BMX, your bars are only going to be like this high. So this bike is way too small to switch to BMX unless it's going to be like a kid riding it. So we're going to leave this ugly giraffe neck stem on there. I really like the style of the frame. It's a little bit different from other small e-bikes, pretty unique. Comes in this black color. It's like a gloss finish, and it has this plastic in the back. And right here in the rear, this is actually where the battery is located. So check this out. You pull this little handle down right here. This is where you can charge the battery. Right here is where you're gonna put the keys in. This is how you remove the battery. Let me show you. So all you do is just stick the key right here underneath. Oh, there's a little cover right here. You remove the cover, stick the key in, turn the key to unlock it, and now you can slide the battery out the back. Check that out. Pretty small battery, so you're most likely not going to get a ton of range on this bike, but trust me when I tell you this bike is freaking fun to ride, okay? All right, guys, so this is how I look on this tiny bike. I am 6'4", and this bike is 3 feet. All right, so it's pretty easy to mount. Just like that. You can raise the seat height. Let me see what the max height is. Oh, never mind. That looks like that was the max height of the seat. Jesus, I wish it had a higher seat. I'm not gonna get the best of leg extension, but it's all good. I don't really pedal anyway. This bike does have a throttle, so that is a plus. Let's go ahead and turn this on. All right, I can barely see the LCD screen. It shows you how fast you're going, what mode you're in. Looks like it has a Bluetooth mode and your battery life. It has an eco mode, a drive mode, and a sport mode. Let's put it in sport. You guys ready? Here we go. All right. Oh, it's pretty zippy. I'm over here acting like I haven't been riding this for like 2 weeks. Dude, this bike is amazing. All right. It's small, but it gets out. And I feel like it's perfect because it's lightweight, right? You don't want to have a heavy e-bike these days. Like, heavy e-bikes are overrated, dog. Especially if you're like trying to take it somewhere, like to a new city. You don't want to have to load that thing in the car and be sweating and breaking your back, right? This thing, super lightweight. Boom, boom. You can even do curls, get a little workout. I just really like it because it's nice and compact, but it also has like decent speed. All right, let's mix in some pedaling now. Check out my legs. How do I look? Like an idiot. Ooh, brakes are working A1. Brakes are working A1. Hundy. All right, you guys already know what time it is. Let's go ahead and do a top speed run. Woo, we are getting out. Wow. Let's go off-road a little bit. Here we go. Woo. Woo. Oh my God. Nice, nice. Yeah, this bike has front suspension. It's not like the best, but it's been working pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. You can't lock it out or anything, but it's decent. It's decent. All right, here we go. Top speed run, throttle only. Let's see how fast we can go on this bike. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. You can barely see the LCD screen, only when we're in the shade. Let's see. 14 miles per hour, 16 miles per hour, 18 miles per hour, 19, and we're going 20, guys. That is amazing. Now, this isn't GPS verified, but this is David verified, and it feels like I'm going 20 miles per hour. This is definitely faster than the last small bike that we reviewed. Only thing I don't like about this bike is it only has 1 gear. So when you're pedaling, especially when you're going fast, your legs are gonna be freaking moving like a hamster. Like, there's really no point in pedaling this bike if you're going fast. Now, if you reduce your speed, now you can get a nice cadence going. You can get a little bit of resistance, but at those higher speeds, you're gonna be feeling like a hamster for sure. We're gonna go up top with it. Oh shoot, what is that? Big old branch and some mud. Good thing we got fenders. Dude, this bike is super nimble. Like, you could definitely weave in and out on this thing. Look at this. Oh, nice. I just hate how fast my legs move when I'm pedaling. Like, this looks crazy. Oh my God, let's go. This is nice. Woo, we are whipping this thing. Nice. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to our designated hill climb test spot to test out its hill climbability. Let's go, guys. Got the bike in the bag, check it out. We got more than enough space for the bike and my son. Let's go. Currently headed to the, dude, I need to put on my seatbelt. Come on, Dave, safety first. Currently headed to the designated hill climb test spot. We're gonna do this hill test. Hopefully this bike performs better than our last little bike. If so, I'm gonna highly recommend this one. So far, it's killing the other bike off. What's up, guys? We're at the designated hill climb test spot. About to perform this hill test. My pedals folded. Oh yeah, it has folding pedals. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let's see how she does up the hill. I have a feeling that this bike is gonna do better. I just have a good feeling, man. It's already faster on flat ground. We're going 14 miles per hour. Maintaining 14. I don't know, that's not looking too good. We're going 11 already. 10. We barely even hit the hill. Dang it. 8 miles per hour, 7. Nah, we're not gonna make it without pedaling. Let's go ahead and mix in some pedaling now. How's it going? Nope. The pedal assist is not even doing anything, dude. That's crazy. You gotta do throttle and pedal assist when you're going up a hill. Like, that is ridiculous. I can't even do it. Downhill top speed is 27 miles per hour. I saw 28 flash for a second. I think that's fast enough for this tiny bike.